Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. So, this is your Devi ma'am. Today, we are going to see our chapter number 12. That is Solar System ka textual exercise. So, each and everyone take your book and pencil and mark your answers. The objectives you have to mark by seeing this video. Only for short answers and long answer, I will send you the PDF. Everyone, come to page number 136. In that, you can able to see the box. In that they written, write true or false. So, when the statement is true, you have to write true, or while the statement is false, you have to write the false. See the first question. Mars takes the least time to complete one revolution around the sun. So, it is a false statement. Okay, only Mercury will take the least time. So, the statement is false. Second one, Mars is known as a great red spot. So Mars is known as a great red spot. So the statement is false. Why? Because the Jupiter is known as the great red spot. Third one, Uranus spins on its side. Yes, the statement is said to be the true because it is the only planet that spins on its own side. Fourth one, Saturn is the largest planet in the solar system. No, which is the largest planet? So Jupiter is the largest planet. The statement is false. And then everyone come to page number 140. In page number 140, one box is there. See, correct the false statement by changing the underlined word. So, the underlined word is the wrong thing. You have to strike and you have to write the correct answer. So, first one, the moon orbits the sun. What is the question given? The moon orbits the sun. So, the sun underlined word is wrong. Strike that and then write earth. So, the moon orbits the earth. Second one, man-made objects that move around the planets in an orbit. They are called natural satellites. So natural satellite is wrong. Man-made object means it is an artificial satellite. Okay. Third one, moons are hot balls of gases that give out heat and light. So, not the moons. So, strike the word moon and then write stars. So, stars are the hot balls of gases that give out heat and light. Fourth question. Axis is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Okay. So, axis is an imaginary line which will divide the earth into two halves. So axis is not the right answer. Strike that. Only the equator, it is an imaginary line that divides the earth into two equal halves. Then fifth one, revolution of the earth and the tilt of its axis. They causes the day and night. No. So the revolution, it causes the seasons. So strike the day and night and then write the seasons. Come to next page number, that is 142. Choose the correct option. I have written only the answer here, but I am explaining. Listen. First question. Which of these is not a characteristic of your sun? So among the four options, which is not a character of the sun? Star closest to the earth, yes, it is also right. Sun will provide heat and light, that is also right. It present at the center of the solar system, that is also right. So the B option, the sun, it is not a natural satellite of the earth. So tick the option number B. Second, the planet that take the least time to complete one revolution around the sun. So which planets are given? Mercury, Venus, Earth and Jupiter. So you have to write the option Mercury because Mercury is the first planet. It will take the least time. Third one, the coldest planet in the solar system. Venus, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn. So among these, the Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. Fourth one, natural objects that move around the planet in an orbit. So which is a natural objects? So natural orbits means constellation, craters, stars. So they are present in the sky, but the natural satellites that will move around the planet. So tick the option number D. It is a natural satellite. Fifth one, the imaginary line that runs horizontally across the earth at equal distance from both the poles. So horizontally means it is said to be an equator. So option number B, equator. And then sixth one, a solar year. So solar year means it has 365 1 by 4 days. Okay. And then come to the true or false. The earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports the life. So the option is true because it is the only planet which supports the life. Second one, Jupiter is the sixth planet from the sun. So the option is said to be false. Okay, Jupiter is the sixth planet from the sun. It is a false. It is the seventh planet. Third one, craters on the moon are formed by weathering the rocks. Yes, weathering means what? This statement is said to be the true only. If anything causes this, what will happen? It will make the craters. Fourth one, the axis of the earth is tilted. Yes, it is said to be the true statement. Fifth one, when the northern hemisphere has summer, the southern hemisphere has the autumn. So the statement is false. Okay, if the northern hemisphere is having the summer means southern hemisphere will be having the winter. So the statement is false. And then fill in the blanks with the correct options. So dash is the second brightest object in the sky after the moon. So it is called as a Venus. Venus is the second brightest object in the sky. Second question. The great red spot on Jupiter is a giant dash. So the red spot on the Jupiter is giant storm. Third one. Satellites help the ships keep track of their position using a system called dash. It is called GPS. Fourth one, the equator cuts the earth into two halves. It is called hemisphere. What is that? It is called as an hemisphere. And then fifth one, the hemisphere of the earth that receives the slanting rays, it has the winter. Okay, I have to write the option winter. And then name the following. First one, the planet known as the red planet. So it is called the Mars. So what is that? It is called as Mars. Second one, the only planet in the solar system that spins on its side. So this we have discussed already. The planet is Uranus. Third one, the first artificial satellite to be successfully placed into an orbit. It is called Sputnik. What is that? It is called as a Sputnik. Fourth one, the hot balls of gases that give out the heat and light. It is called star. Fifth one, the half of the earth below the equator. So below the equator, it is called the southern hemisphere. And then sixth one, the type of the year that has 366 days. It is called the leap year. And then short answers. First one, what does our solar system consist of? As you all know, our solar system, it consists of our sun, 8 planets together with their moon and other small bodies in the sky. Okay. Second, why is the earth called the blue planet? तो आपको तो पता है आंसर, बिकॉज हमारा दुनिया अर्थ इज फुल्ली कवर्ड विथ 70% of water. So it is called as a blue planet. Third one, what is the red giant spot? So Jupiter, it's a planet. It has a large red spot. It is called as a great red spot, which in fact a giant spinning storm. Okay, it has a giant spinning storm. Fourth question, write 2 sentences about the rings of the Saturn. Write the 2 sentences about the rings of the Saturn. So the rings of the Saturn, it is made up of rocks and ice particle. And the second one, the ring circle Saturn will be having the high speed. Okay, the rings of the Saturn will have the high speed. And then fifth question, how are the craters formed on the moon's surface? So when any small space rock will hit the surface of the moon, the craters are formed. Sixth one, give one use of an artificial satellite. Artificial satellite ka one example you have to write. What it will do? It help in tracking the position by using a system called global positioning system. Okay? So we are using the GPS, right? So by using this artificial satellite, we will track the position of the anything. And then seventh, what are the constellations? So a group of the stars that forms the pattern in the sky. So they are called constellation. इसके दो example, Ursa Major and Orion. And then eighth question, what is the axis of the earth? Okay, so the earth spins on its imaginary line called the axis, which runs from the north pole to the south pole through the center of the earth. So ninth question, why do we have the 366 days in a leap year? So our earth rotates, revolutes the sun for 365 1 of days. So we have to take only the 365 days, and this extra day will be added to the month of the February. So after 4 years, it will form the 366 days. So that is called as a leap year. Okay. So this is up to your short answer. Now I am going to discuss about the long answers. Okay, don't worry, I am discussing the long answers. I will send you the PDF. Okay, listen carefully. So, long answer questions. First one, what are planets? Name the planets in the solar system. Write about the largest planet and write about the smallest planet. So, for this, what you have to write, I am just discussing. I will send you the PDF. I am just discussing the answer. So, the planets, they are the large bodies that revolves around the sun in a fixed path. So how many planets are there? There are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. So for this, which is the largest planet? You have to write about the largest planet. It is the Jupiter. Okay, it is the largest planet in the solar system. So it has 4 large moons and many small ones. And the smallest planet, it is called as a Mercury. Okay. So the Mercury is very closest to the Sun and will take the least time to complete one revolution. And then second question, describe the natural satellite of the Earth. So natural objects that move around the planet. It is called the natural satellite. Moon is said to be an example. So the moon is the natural satellite of Earth. It completes one revolution of Earth in 27 days. The surface of the moon is very dusty, made up of the rocks. In moon, there is no water, there is no atmosphere. Okay, hence weathering of rocks does not take place in the moon. Okay, and then third question, what is the rotation of the earth? Describe how it causes the formation of day and night with an example or diagram. So you know that rotation. What is the rotation? So the earth will provide the two movements. One is called rotation and second one is called revolution. Okay. So earth spins about the imaginary line called the axis. Okay. And then what they are asked about the formation of the day. So the rotation of the earth causes the day and night. So the earth faces the moon, so the earth faces the sun and it will receive the sunlight. So during the daytime, what will happen? The earth will be facing the sun. And another side, no light will be there. So that is called as a night. So you have to compare and then you have to write. Fourth one, what is the revolution of the earth? How does it cause the changes in the sun? So you have to write about the revolution, the movement of the earth around the sun in its orbit. It is called revolution. Then changes in the season. It is present in page number 140 that you have to write. Now everyone come to page number 144. In that see the skill builder questions is given. First one, Sonia wrote in her test paper, it is summer in the USA when people celebrate Christmas. Is she correct? So this is a logical questions. You have to think and then you have to answer these questions. First question. Second, which of these pictures show the correct position of the earth? Make a tick mark in the box next to the correct picture. So here the option is said to be the C because the sun is present in the middle and the earth is revolving around its own axis. A पिक्चर में एक्सिस नहीं है, बी पिक्चर में सन इज रिवॉल्विंग, तो दोनों गलत है. Only the C option is right. Third one, what would have happened if the earth axis was not tilted? What if there was no rotation discussed? अगर earth उसके axis में tilted नहीं है तो what happened? No rotation will be taking place. If rotation is not there, day and night cannot be appear. Then what happened? We cannot able to, earth will not rotate, so the revolution will not be possible, everything will be collapsed. Okay. And then 144C page number, application based question is there, right? So you have to read the application. Some questions were discussed here. From that paragraph, you have to write the correct option. Okay. So this is up to your 12th chapter. That is our solar system has been completed. So textual exercise today we have discussed. Short answer and long answer I will be sending you in the PDF. So you have to write in your fair notebook. Suppose you are having any doubt, you can ask during the doubt solving session. Okay students, hope everyone have understood this chapter. Just go through this chapter's long answers and application based questions. So tomorrow we will discuss about our next chapter. What is our next chapter? The next chapter is air, water and weather. Okay. So complete this in your fair notebook. We will see you tomorrow.